In today's video, we're going to make some fries with fried fish. I hope you guys are all well, and thanks again for clicking on today's video. Rinse the potatoes, peel it and cut it. You can see it's a medium-sized potato, so I'm using 8 of this. You can use sweet potatoes for this recipe if you prefer. If you're new here, my name is Kaye and I share quick, easy and very delicious recipes on this channel. If you want to get my notifications, don't forget to subscribe and make sure your notification bell is on. This is roughly the size I'm going for, but you can cut it a little bit smaller as well if you want to. Now we're going to transfer it into a bowl, rinse it twice and soak it in water. And this is what I got out of 8 medium-sized potatoes. Thanks to all my returning subscribers for always checking my content, liking it, and also sharing with family and friends. I really appreciate it. I'm going in now with water. Make sure you soak this for half an hour and drain it properly. After that, I'm going to use kitchen towel again to make sure the potatoes are dry before start frying it. Let me know in the comment section if you prefer white potatoes fries or sweet potatoes. Once the potatoes are dried on both sides properly, I'm going to start heating up the oil and fry it. After frying this for 3 minutes, I'm going to set it aside, let it cool down, and then it's going back again in the oil. I will be frying it for another 9 minutes and then the fries will be ready. If you are enjoying the recipe, don't forget to like the video and keep watching. Our fries are ready and you can see from here that they are very inviting. Time to go in now with the second batches, and after that I will be frying the fish. Feel free to use chicken if you wish to. I'm sure you're going to enjoy it that way as well. The second batches is ready, looking so yummy already, and I'm going to fry the fish now. Just heat up the oil and fry it. After frying the fish for 7 to 8 minutes, flip the other side and fry it roughly the same time, and this is our fish ready. I'm going in now with some dried parsley. Feel free to use the fresh one, and this is our fried fish and fries ready. Instead of ketchup, I will be dipping these yummy fries into this chili tomato sauce. Super delicious. You can check the video that I will link in the description box to find out how to make this sauce. And guys, as usual, I'll tell you what I think about today's recipe. Very easy, quick, and super yummy. This is the time we say in Togo, "Mi dunulo," meaning you are invited to join me. So let's dive right into it. And this right here is for you guys. Thanks so much for watching, and it was another delicious recipe as usual. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye. Au revoir.